Today we're installing the wall encapsulation. So we're using the 20 mil plastic. We're going down the wall, down here to the gravel. Any water that gets behind this wall is forced to go into the system. Now, if you recall back, we put the gravel in, we drilled holes in the block, and all that water came out of the block, which got the pressure off. So there's absolutely no way water's really probably even gonna come through this part anymore because we released it down here. But it's just that the plastic is there to help to guarantee it for sure. So what we did is put this double-sided tape up here, so it's gonna be 100% sealed on this. Now if you come this way, what we have here, we moved the sump pump from over here on this corner, or in the middle. Originally I wasn't, when I put this in a year and a half ago, I wasn't going to expand this room. But now I've decided to remodel the house a little bit. This is going to be in the way. So we're going to seal this hole back up where we put the sump pump before originally. We're going to move it down here. Now, we did the sump pump originally. We did the sump pump. And it was a kind of test thing to see if I put a sump up here and I put a sump pump in the middle of the house, would that take care of the water? And for the most case, it did take care of a bunch of the water, but we still had quite a few places where water was still leaking in the top. Well, we figured out why. Once we dug the trench out, the ground didn't have any gravel under it. It was really hard clay, so therefore the water really couldn't go through it quick enough to get to the sump pump. Over a few day period it worked, but you don't want water in your house for a few days, right? So we moved the sump pump over here, and we're going to come out the wall right here. The reason our dirt line is really up here, but we're going to come out this way mainly because I'm going to put a bar here, and now the bar top will actually cover the whole sump pump, so somebody actually sees it. All right, so we're going to show you how this plastic goes in. All right. When you cut your plastic, I put bottom on this because not every single cut's going to be pretty and perfect. Now, I'm going to cover most of these walls up with some shiplap. This wall's going to have a 100-year-old brick on it. It's going to look really cool. You'll see that finished product at some point. But I put the bottom on here just because I'm OCD and I like this, because it's messed up here. I don't want that showing. So we put this on the bottom. So we're going to unroll it. Pull that out. Just so you guys know for a second, this is Jason. He's one of my crew leaders. Brady, and Chris is holding the camera right now. All right, so what we're gonna do is just kind of swap it out. Yep. All right, and then I'm gonna take and pull that tape off. There you go, Jason. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make it taut, where it don't have a bunch of wrinkles in it. So I'm gonna put my piece in first. All right, okay. Pull it tight as I go across. I'm pulling tight as I go across, right? What that does, we get this fairly, it's going to get you a really flat layer of plastic. Now, this plastic is not stiff enough to be perfectly flat. There's no way we can do that. And it's a 20 mil plastic, so it's like a pool liner. So it's really thick, but it's still going to have some wrinkles in it. There's nothing you can do about that. But like I said, we're going to cover most of this up anyway. So when we come back, I'll show you the finished product on this part, and we'll show you pouring the concrete on it. Thank you.
Any foundation cracks, you have any cracking inside your house where in sheetrock, above your door frames, any of that stuff, we're happy to come out to evaluate that. We do free evaluations on everything we do except for the mold testing. We do free, come out there and look at your crawl spaces, make sure there's no water or mold issues in there. If you have a basement, you go down in your basement and you got water in your splash in your basement, we take care of that. No more splashing, okay? There's all kinds of fixes for a basement like that. We have almost every kind of fix that I've ever been able to find. We offer all those. Most companies offer 1 or 2 fixes. We offer them all. So if you like this, this is helpful to you, like and share, and also click the link below. And remember, if anybody charges you for an inspection, don't go with them. That means they're high.